Good morning, everybody. It is Friday and we are at the beach. It is Boca Grande Beach. It's an island, and the island is just inhabited by millionaires. Just big, huge homes that here and there. But they do allow a few people to come down to the beach. You pay $6 to get across the bridge. There's limited parking, so only a few people can come down here. I get down here really early so we can get a place to park. As you can see, there's hardly anybody here, but this is my favorite beach because it's so, there's nobody here. See? And it's so calm today. We've had winds and here's my ankle bracelet. I got a little dress on too. Cover up. Well, we're gonna look for shells. Hi! Look at Max. Good boy. Let's go look for shells. It's been really cool down here, so the water is very cold. It feels good though because, well, it's about 75 right now. I'd say the water's about 68 or 70 maybe. It's pretty cool. Feels good though. There's another house. There's one. There's a pretty little shell. Water is pretty clear. Be a good day to see dolphins. Would have been a great day to kayak. I didn't realize how calm it was out here. Maybe tomorrow. Ew. We found some kids to play with. Oh! Go play! Come on! He's got some kids to play with.
I'm ready for the big surprise.
Woo! Okay.
Come back here.
There's another dog. He's good.
That is so precious.
He's trying to get his shell.
You want to get his shell?
Yeah. See? Get it, Max. Where'd it go?
Oh, I found it. Right
there it is. Max. Say Max.
He's digging.
He's digging. I think they live here, up in that house up there. and kids. It's a beautiful house. Goodness. There's one too. This is why my car's a mess and I don't worry about it, guys. Max, you got enough sand on you? Remember the Red Baron? That's what that looks like. Oh, the water is so blue today. Looks like there's a reef out there where the water is breaking. Oh my goodness. I would love to go snorkeling today. The water's a little cold and I don't want to take a chance of getting sick and catching a cold. I'm feeling better. My cold, it was just a sinus problem yesterday, allergies or something. I don't have a cold.